Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, I will show you how to use comments and I will also outline what they can be used for. So one reason why you could add comments to your HTML document is to document what you're doing. Some HTML documents can be really long, so it makes sense to give comments to certain sections. For example, you could say this is the main section, this is the sidebar, and so on. If the document is very long, finding certain sections can be a bit difficult, so as comments are displayed in a different color, they draw your eye to it and it makes it easier to find sections and to scan the document. Another reason why I add comments is to remind myself to do something. For example, I notice a mistake. Maybe I cannot fix the mistake immediately, but by leaving myself a comment to remind myself, I know I won't forget and I will get back to it. You can also just comment out certain sections and HTML tags in your document. This way you don't have to delete them, but they won't show up on your website. This way you can experiment around without removing anything that you might need later. So the syntax for the comment starts with a less than sign. Then you add an exclamation mark, 2 dashes, and then a comment. Here I will just say, don't forget to add a fourth paragraph. It then ends with 2 dashes and then a greater than sign. There is no exclamation mark at the end. So these comments don't show up in the browser. Now if I save this and I open up the document, you can see the site title, the first and second paragraph and the third one, but not the comment. If I go back and comment out the second paragraph, it will not show up in the browser either. So I'll just end it here. I'll save it, and if I refresh, you can see that the second paragraph is not visible. If we inspect the source, we can, however, see the comments. So you can do this by right-clicking and then clicking Inspect. This will show the console, which allows you to look at the source. So I'll try to zoom in so you can see better. If I go to the body and I expand it, you can see the second paragraph commented out and the last comment, but you can't see it on the page, only in the source. This is all I wanted to show you in this lesson. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll try to reply. In the next lesson, I will show you how to create lists. So see you in the next one and have a good day.